Business and economy. Why are South Koreans protesting President Trump? US-Korea trade deal. Who got a better deal? Why are South Korean beef so expensive?
Growing pressure to strike a tariff deal with the US as the August 1st deadline, as we have all been mentioning, looms. The US demanding greater access to its agricultural and livestock markets, sparking protests from farmers. CNA's Lim Yun-suk tells us more.
Stop all talks that only call for the sacrifice of farmers. Hundreds of farmers came from across South Korea to protest against any further opening up of its agricultural and beef markets to Washington. They warned of more rallies ahead of the August 1st deadline if their demands are not met.
한국 사과는 안 그래도 지금 냉해 피해, 이 더해서 지금 일소 피해가 심한데도 불구하고 이 미국산 사과가 들어온다 해서 저희들은 그걸 막기 위해서 이렇게 시골에서 서울까지 사기 위해서 이렇게 데모를 하고 있는 중입니다.
전 세계적으로 하니까 최대한 좀 약하게 할 수 있는 방법으로 했으면 좋겠어요. 뭐 안 할 수는 없잖아요. 대통령님이 좀 강력하게 해야 되는데 지금 뭐 미국에서 너무 강력하게 나오다 보니까 뭐 우리나라가 더 적게 하면 좋은데 그게 될런지는 모르겠네요.
Right. US President Trump has been demanding greater access to South Korea agriculture market. Remember, the majority of the voters for President Trump are in Midwest farmers, right? So what do? They export beef, pork, apples, fruits, some other agricultural products like soybeans. So remember, apples in US apples is quite affordable and they are high quality. And also US beef are high quality but cheaper than South Korean beef. So without the tariff, if South Korea opens the agriculture market to the US, these farmers will definitely lose their livelihood. And this is a very, very big issue. Remember, every president has to look out for their citizen, which is totally right. Right? And at the same time, you have to give something to get something back. And South Koreans farmers travel to Seoul from the countryside to protest so that South Korea doesn't give up a lot of their agriculture market to them America. So why are South Korean beef so expensive? And what type of negotiation has been going on, and how did the trade deal turn out?
그게 될런지는 모르겠네요.
A small group of farmers also gathered outside the U.S. Embassy in downtown Seoul on Monday morning, demanding that Washington halt pressure on South Korea to open up its markets. The protests come amid reports that South Korea might be willing to discuss issues related to agricultural and beef imports to reach a deal with the United States. Farmers here in Gyeongju are especially anxious as tariff talks continue. The area, about 320 kilometers southeast of Seoul, is one of the country's top producers of Hanwoo, premium domestic beef, which is typically more expensive than imports.
관세 협정을 하든지 어떻게 하든지 간에 한우 농가를 보호하고 또 수입도 하고 서로 상방간에 조언을 할 수 있는 방법이 있으면 좋은데 그거를 그렇지 아니하고 일방적으로 들어온다는 거는 소고기 사 먹는 사람은 조금 흐른 거 사 먹는 몰라도 생산 농가는 실제로 어렵거든요.
Hanwoo beef is considered like high status. Usually, rich businessmen, politicians, even in the office, if somebody treat them Hanwoo beef, everybody is so happy, right? Because it's expensive. It's considered premium and high status. And why is it so expensive? Because they only have about 320 square meter to raise cattle. Their land is limited when land is limited, they need to eat up. If when they buy, it's more expensive, or even if they lease out, it costs them more. It costs the farmers more. Their production costs, their feed costs are expensive, and this is a high quality beef, right? And South Koreans are very particular about the standards of beef. But you know, these South Korean farmers seem reasonable, right? We need to manage import as well. You know, it would be great to balance both sides. Of course, if you're educated, if you know that both sides has to benefit. US has to win. Also, South Korea has to win in a trade deal. If one side is losing, there's no deal. Remember, deal happens only when both sides think that they win. So we're gonna look at what kind of deals they made in a short while after this video.
먹는 사람은 조금 흐르고 사면 몰라도 생산 농가는 실제로 어렵거든요.
He says one way to help farmers is to lower fodder costs, which are too high in South Korea.
우리가 외국 거는 무조건 반대 하는데 어쩔 수 없는 거로 생각은 하고 있어요. 농가에 실용적으로 할 수 있는 방법은 정부에서 세제 혜택이나 뭐 이렇게 지원해주면 좋겠다 싶어요. 그게 되면은 우리 한우 농가도 살아남을 수 있는 방향은 얼마든지 있어요.
U.S. interest groups are calling on South Korea to further open up its beef market. Currently, Seoul bans imports of American beef from cattle that's more than 30 months old. This was part of an agreement inked in 2008 when fears of a mad cow disease swept through the country. The clock is ticking for South Korea as the August 1st deadline approaches. Many will be watching the results of the planned bilateral meetings scheduled in Washington later this week.
Korea's ban import of beef older than 30 months because beef, it takes about 36 months for South Korea farmers to get beef. 36 months. It's considered high quality, right? And if it's young, it may not be that high quality. If there's anybody in my audience that's specialized in cows and beef products, comment down below. Is the older the beef, the higher the quality? Why do you think that South Korea's ban cattle older than 30 months? I think it's because of the quality. The older the cattle, the higher the quality, right? And it takes, maybe because it takes lots of cost to raise a cattle, and it takes about 36 months for South Koreans to get a high quality beef. So what is the trade deal that we are talking about right now? US lower tariff rate to 15% on South Korean goods. In exchange for South Korea investing 350 billion in the US. So 150 billions will be in a shipbuilding for US Navy, right? South Koreans probably, they may probably start a factory, shipbuilding factory to supply ship to the US Navy. So I think that's pretty smart, right? 350 billion, but how long is it gonna be? 350 billion over the next 10 years or 20 years? If it's 10 years, that's perfect. Right? 10 years is 5 years will be even better, right? 5 years will be even better. So it doesn't mention anything about the timeline. South Korea is going to buy 100 billion of natural gas and other energy products, right? Which is good. And so, but remember, there is no concessions for rice and beef. So USA doesn't have the access to South Korean rice and beef market. So which good for South Korea president, right? South Korea president can tell his voters that, hey, you know what? We got a deal. You don't need to worry about it. Things are the same. We will still protect your livelihood. Farmers, don't worry. And President Trump also got something to boast about. Hey, I got 350 billion investment from South Korea, 100 billions that they are going to buy, and natural gas and other energy products, right? So both sides can show something to the voters, which is pretty good. I think this is just an okay deal. There is no mention about South Korea lowering the tariff on US products, nothing at all. At least US managed to raise 15%, right? And then initially it was nothing. So now 15% go on automobiles like South Korean cars like Hyundai and Kia. It's getting quite popular in the States right now. Right, so South Korea also won, US also won, so win-win situation, so which is good. Yeah, so they got a deal just before August 1st, July 30th. So let's see. So right now, compared to UK, this is a better deal. I think UK got more from the US UK trade deal. South Korea, I think I would say just okay. Used to be 25% April 2nd Liberation Day, now 15%. As we only import about 4.03% from South Korea, 150 billion in shipbuilding, 100 billion in energy, auto parts 15%, and copper aluminum. US is quite protected about their steel and aluminum industry and copper, so 50%. Yeah, quite reasonable. So I think this is just okay. Pharmaceutical and no semiconductor and no. So who do you think got a better deal? Is it the United States or is it South Korea? Comment down below. Why is South Korea be so expensive? Because they have limited land, like I said before, for grazing, high production costs, strict quality standards, and high import duties. So even if you want to buy foreign beef, they have high import duties. So it will be higher than buying local beef, Hanwoo beef. So that's why Hanwoo beef is considered high status, right? If you treat beef to Korean Hanwoo beef, they will really appreciate you because not many people can try. Okay, so I think when I get to Korea, I will try Hanwoo beef. Have you tried Hanwoo beef before? Comment down below. And also, it's very important the ability to travel around the world and live around the world. Retire early, retire young. Hey, if I were Korean and I could live anywhere around the world, if I want to get beef, I will travel to the States and buy it cheaper, maybe half the price, and also enjoy high quality American beef. That's the superpower of financial freedom, time freedom, location freedom, right? If something happens in your family, a disease, a rare disease, it really costs a lot to get medical in the state. You can travel to Singapore, Malaysia, Taiwan, South Korea, Japan, which is much cheaper than healthcare in the States, right? So that's a superpower. So how can you get that superpower? Hey, stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option. That's what I have been doing. I started with zero in this portfolio in the last 2 years, 1 or 2 years. Hey, it's now already 150,000, right? 150,000. I gained over 3,000, close to 4,000 in a day. So that's how you grow your wealth. You can live anywhere around the world. You only need to spend time 1 to 3 hours a day. You start with $10 a day, right? You can become a millionaire after 20 years, 10, 20 years, which is pretty good depending on your return. I always show you how you can become a millionaire with 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, depending on how much you put in, how much return you can get. You can go to see Master Risk Stock Option Crypto, subscribe to the channel, go to playlist, learn more about stock investing, call option, put option, and advanced option, day trading movement and stock. You can reach out to me by using the link in the description and comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.